Hi, I'm Aaron with iKeyless, and this is a transponder key that works with select models from Toyota, Scion, and Pontiac. This durable key has a small oval-shaped design that contains a Texas 4D67 transponder chip. With the built-in transponder, this key allows engine activation and provides enhanced security. Please check the compatibility table on this page to make sure it works with your vehicle. If you have any questions, our industry-leading customer support team is here for you. Don't forget, we offer hassle-free returns for your convenience. iKeyless offers replacement transponder keys at a huge savings over dealership prices. With prices this low, you can have spares for other drivers or get extras, just in case. Remember, all vehicles can have up to 4 keys. No matter what you need when it comes to replacement keys and remotes, choose from the best selection on the web at the internet's first and still the best online retailer of automotive keys and keyless entry remotes, iKeyless.com.